Okay, good afternoon everyone. So today we'll have the Scrum community on 21st January on Thursday. So we will move to the campaign program. There are some campaign. The first is partner refine contract from Om Rafiq. Yeah, today I had share the access to Om Rafiq for the person, but I think we need pairing ya Om ya for you to access again, so you can check which partner is
Yeah,
haven't signed the contract yet, and then which partner need to follow up.
yeah,
And then also, actually yesterday I had a meeting with Mbak Wayan Om. So she suggestion is like we send the survey or like a discussion with the partner, because most of
mm,
the partners still said they still not open yet, like they're not ready yet, like that, right? And then not Frankfurt not ready for sign the contract, and then maybe we can get the data from them. Okay, if you are not ready, maybe I think the first question is what we can do to make you ready. The second one is when you will ready to sign the contract, like that. So we can make a schedule. For example, like okay, I will let's see in the next 2 months, for example, if the airport is open everything, and then I will consider to extend the contract or sign the contract, like that. So we can instead of we always following up them and contact them always like every day. I think we can just ask that, then we can revisit again like next 2 months. Hey, we can tell to the partner, hey, you said last 2 months you will ready this month to sign the contract. How about that, like that, okay, so
yeah.
I think that,
So,
yeah, that's a suggestion from me and Mbak Wayan. How about you,
okay, I think we need to, the first one, I need to know how many partner who didn't send the contract yet. And then the second one, I think it's 13 partner which don't sign the contract yet. If only 13 or 14, I can follow up it. So same like you said, so we can budgeting the time
Yeah.
when exactly you ready to sign the contract.
Mm-mm.
If 1 month or 2 months, after 1 or 2 months, we can go there. And then you said last month you will sign the contract, but what happened? Just said like that.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, like that,
But
and then
the first,
yeah.
I need to know how many partner didn't sign the contract yet. So
Okay.
that's why after this maybe we can send the ever sign. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. I think you mean it's which partner not sign the contract, right?
yeah,
Yeah. If
yeah,
how many that you can see on the here, right?
yeah.
And then yeah, after the follow up, please just update on the Google Sheet ya Om ya, for the partner, what's called the which one the contract. This is partner contract list.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
Om. So you can put the time for the partner sign contract. Thank you. Oh, maybe Om Rafiq or David, could you be secretaries, or yeah, Om Rafiq maybe.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Om. Just put down the comment. And then the second one is community engagement meeting program. Uh, this is the update from Om Rafiq.
Yeah. It
Uh,
is the update, and then no update for Facebook.
mm,
I think it's Tandy just write down today regarding the Chris Thompson. So I will upload it and update it this afternoon. So how many engagement we get on the Facebook
yeah.
because of Tandy's post. And then today I engagement with uh, I think it's misunderstanding between Katie. I will talk with Katie because some of our, but she said it's not Bukit Vista. She said somebody else
Yeah.
is contact her regarding about the villa. But I'm not sure. I will contact Katie about this because the listing already unlist for this. I will engage with her today. That
Okay.
is my update.
Wait, Om
Yeah.
ya. Ada paket.
Okay. Okay.
BTW, someone asked about what? Villa for what?
Yeah, asking about the gas is extending or not because
Oh,
the gas is from another agent to Bukit Vista. I think it's another agent. It's not Bukit Vista because his name is Cinta
oh.
something. I'm not sure. I will
Okay.
follow up with Katie today.
Okay, thank you Om. Just record your result of meeting on the PRM ya Om ya as well.
Yes, of course.
Okay, thank you Om. Yeah, and then for the actually for the Facebook group strategy, so yeah, I plan to make also like what's called the like a Bukit Vista award, but for the partner to announce on the Facebook. It's kind of like Bukit.com like that. I think I already tell before like the rating like 4.5 or something. Yeah, but I think I need help to VD to collect the data. For example, like the what's called the rating of the cleanliness for the last year like 2020, like who is the most partner get 5-star rating or the offer overall like that. And then we can celebrate this month. We make the what's called plakat with the frame, and then we can send to them via post or if in Bali via Gojek or something, so they can put on their property like that. And then also we can announce on the Facebook as well. And then also I think we need to start also inviting more owner on the Facebook. Yeah. So yeah, I think there are lists, and then we can increase the audience on the group on the Facebook group. Also, I think every single partner that join the group, we need to send the welcome message like that. Yeah, I think welcome Pak Indra or something, and then maybe we can tell their background. For example, like Pak Indra is one of the manager in Melia Bali, for example, or Intercon, and then he is a best butler, like that. So I think we can introduce the background of the partner to the all partners, so other partner also know, oh, this person is like this, this person is like this. I have what's called community like that. So I think we can start that like that. And then also we can tell the owner, for example, but we can choose we can choose, for example, like uh Kubu Nyanyang or Pak Indra, hey, maybe could you post a tips like that for how to handling gas or how to keep your property clean or something. Yeah, because instead because mostly we the content is from Bukit Vista, right? But uh, I think in the future, what is the goal of the Facebook group is all the partner is contribute, like so they have contribution on the in the group, like a post something information, for example, hey, the airport is already open, they can share the picture if they know first like that. So no problem like that. And then also if they have like a guest check-in, maybe they have a photo with the guest, that's fine as well, they can share it the photo. And then also they can make a story of the what's called the story of the, for example, like I today I meet for example like Chris family, they are from Australia, they coming from Bali ini, and then they're planning to visit Nusa Penida after here gitu. Maybe who is the owner of Nusa Penida, you we can I can recommend your property like that. So yeah, I think that's what actually we want in the future, so all the community is active instead of reactive. So active is more good because they can uh, create their own idea or innovation and ideas as well like that. So but in the beginning, the action in the first is I would like to run the Bukit Vista Award. Yeah, but I think I need you guys what's called suggestion. So for the Bukit Vista Award, do we need to roll out like every 6 months or every year? What do you think? I'm not sure. The booking.com. How is it work? Like yearly or monthly or every 6 months? Anyone know?
Booking.com yearly,
Yearly ya?
yearly.
Oh, isi tahun itu ya, 2020
Ya,
gitu.
ya,
Oh, I
ya.
see.
Tapi
Oh,
tergantung if you want to 6 months,
hmm,
no problem for me because
hmm,
now now we need to know what the criteria of the the person who will get. For example, how the occupancy, for example, the
hmm,
occupancy. Why they get the occupancy? Because they get a good review, right?
yeah.
They get a good review. For example, like I don't see it. Mi Villa, for example, Mi Villa, they have a lot of guests over there. They have a lot good review over there. That's why the guest is always coming. That is the if if we give to the one of property
Hmm,
and put it on the Facebook, for example,
yeah.
we can tell the categorize why we give this one first. This property is like this, bum 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 bum. Then. Okay, who won this one award again? Please do like this, blah 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 blah, and please coordinate with your community manager each area, for example. Just that is maybe the promotion for the community manager, for example.
Hmm,
Each area, as you know, the community manager at area Tangguh, Rafiq, Uluwatu is Tendi like that. So it's easy, right?
hmm.
Jadi mungkin they will contact us, hey, I want this reward. What I can do? Jadi lebih apa namanya? Ada motivasi ya
Hmm.
untuk partner gitu sih.
Okay, berarti I think in the first we will start every 6 months ya, ya. So
Oke.
January, after January is July, if not
Hmm,
July, and then
Desember.
January again. I think, yeah.
Ya.
I think for that, the first I will need to collect the data, all the data from VD. I will coordinate with him, and then if tomorrow is already done the data, so I will share to you guys the rating, of the property. Maybe from bigger, or from Airbnb that the VD can collect it. I will share on the paper or Excel, so you guys can see also the rating, and then we can vote which partner that we will give the, what's called, the word like that. I think like the cleanest property like in the 2020 by Bukit Vista like that. And then I think for the appreciation, we can put the Jing sign as well, like on the below, like the CEO of Bukit Vista, the sign, and then also award the award gift to who the partner like that. So yeah, I think for the design, I will coordinate also with content team like that. Okay, thank you. That's good discussion for the community engagement. So, and then the next for the community page trusted. Yeah, for the community page trusted, Cynthia will already have a meeting for the handover and then discuss with us what is the strategy from the Cynthia, and then we will discuss it later. And then the next for the maintain partner trust by clear payment report from Fadil. So there's an update.
From David,
David.
bukan Fadil.
Yeah.
Fadil, aku lupa.
Okay. Okay. From today update. No major update. Because just yep. There is until now there is two Airbnb, and there is Egmore anomalous payment, and two are Airbnb, and six from Booking.com in December who haven't delayed by the system in last December. And for the yeah, for this week I finance have one case with the Gong. Yeah. Owner asked the payment, but in our system and detect that the guest cancel. The guest
Mm.
cancel.
Mm.
So but the guest already come and already check in and check out in the property. But it's already solved. We ask the
Yeah. That's actually also the case, that one.
oh,
I see. Yeah, yeah. I think
okay.
HR also know already about that, and then I already asked Andre to meeting with the HR and discuss the best workflow or the best practice for that. So to avoid, because I think we are lucky the amount is around 1.6, right? But for example, if there that's for the, sorry, I think my internet is interrupted.
Yeah.
Sorry, my internet I think is interrupted. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I think we are
Yeah.
lucky
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
that's not much money, but imagine if there's like a lot 5 or lot 3 with the, for
Mm.
instance, 50 million or 20 million, who will pay like that? So that's very what's called dangerous as well, that we need to focus on to solve it like that. Okay, thank you David for the update. So so far there is not a big friction, yeah, overall under control.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Okay, thank you David. And then for the next, for the reducing the booking conflict for the program, yeah, there is no update for this. And then I also decided, because there are only 5 partner not have a time or and training yet. Even I already contact them as well. And then this is the study is, it will be same like the contract, so I will say to them, hey, when you will ready, and then I will visit you again, for example, like okay, maybe in the next month or something. So I will just put the schedule for the next month on the KRM for the bigger training, and then put the deadline as well, the due date, and then we can focus on the new partner that join for the bigger training. So the for the existing partner we can just schedule, because most of them is not open. But now we have like a some new partner that we need to train. So I will focus on there, like that. So thank you. Is there any question so far? Okay, all good, yeah.
All good.
Okay, so I will move to the discussion management. This one, I think. Yeah, this one. So for, oh yeah, the update for the HubSpot. So actually I already coordinate with Charlie from the HubSpot. So tomorrow I will have a meeting at 11 for discuss about the CRM. And then actually the CRM is will hopefully can help us to solve the problem of the scalability, and then also scalability, sorry, and then also the information, open source information, like that. If David want to join also tomorrow, you can go tomorrow, join. I will share the link for the meeting on the Slack, so you guys can join tomorrow, yeah. Okay, and then the next, this is the, oh yeah, this is the today we have the what's called startup masterclass with Manuel Ajamil. So from the Emirates Island, he is actually the inspirational since he started in hospitality company, and then he worked at Melia and W in guest experience, and moved to digital marketing career. Now he is a digital product owner of Emirates in Dubai. So you can also see the CV or on the LinkedIn of him. And then the meeting will be tonight at 8 p.m. Wita. So yeah, if you guys want to join, you can just swing there. If you just like hearing, for example, like you eat sambil apa santai gitu, you just hearing, and then see how is it the experience of this person. So you can just join, and then I will share also the link tonight, like that. Okay, thank you. And then the next, I think this is a topic that related to the the one topic before that we have discussed about the rebuilding. So the first is yeah, I create the community concept, rules and roadmap. This is just still for what's called in like the framework, like that, the framework, the draft that this is what I'm thinking about the community manager. And then I put also there are three questions here actually for the rebuild community. And I also need the suggestion from you guys. What do you think about that? Okay, so I think before we open this paper, because I already wrote some on there, I think before we wrote on this paper, I would like to get your idea first for the these three question. I think for the first question, maybe Om Rafi can write it. Uh, from the fit for David, what is the important concept for community? Do you think?
Um, for my side, I think it's to how to implement our community, how to uh, what's called the point the implementation of the feature VC of BV, and we implement to our community, so we can work as our rule
I see. So
and our concept.
okay, so the implementation of the about the vision of Bukit Vista, I think the vision and mission it will be together, right? So like
Yeah, the
we can
vision and
also
mission.
explain the mission as well, so the partner can see like oh do so they will think like oh, if I do like this, is it like help the Bukit Vista, or is actually I align with Bukit Vista or not, like that. For example, like
Yeah.
they are complaining about the whatever, like always complaining. And then if I think because in the beginning we are not to explain well, like what is our vision and mission, so
Mm-mm.
they think that they run the partnership without any mission, right? And the mission and vision actually
Yeah.
uh, as a partner, like that. So yeah, I think if they understand well about the vision and mission, they will think before they say something. They will think like, oh, if I say like this, is it like inspire or not, or is it like
Uh-huh.
have the mission of the Bukista or not, like that. So yeah, I think that's also a good concept, David. Do you have any concept that you think is important, David? For example, in the terms of finance, what do you think? Do you have any concept?
Um, 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 may, I'm thinking again about this.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, but maybe I will open a little bit for you. So,
Mm-mm.
what is the mission of the finance?
Pay to the owner on time.
Okay, so actually, that's kind of like the activity, right? The pay, of course, they will
Yeah.
get the pay, right? So I think the most important of the why we have finance, and then why the owner need finance is to help
Mhm.
a partner, what's called to help partner get clear report, and then also
Yeah.
help partner understand about the transparency of the payment, like that. I
Yeah.
think one of the important concept from the finance is, what do you think?
Maintain the partner trust, I think,
Okay, by
by give the transparency to guests, to partner.
yeah, that's right. So yeah, that's I think the important concept is the transparency, David. So the transparency itself will automatically increase the trust actually. So if you everything, if you are transparent, that you tell you because you have the activity of notice partner, right? You transparent that okay, this money is goes to this bank account. Sorry, I deduct your bank account or something. Yeah, that's very transparent, and then that's actually will increase the partner trust. Yeah, because if the partner is not clear about what happened on their finance or on accounting, it will be decreasing trust, and then they will start asking everywhere, hey, where is the payment? For example, call the Rafiq, hey, my payment is wrong, and then call me, hey Tendi, my payment is wrong. They will goes everywhere like that because they didn't get any clear information like that. But
Trump, yeah.
if the finance team is very clear to them and notify them on the group WhatsApp, it will be clear, and then they will start to trust the finance, start to trust the finance team like that. So they will not asking everywhere like that because there is on one source to to one source that they believe can solve about the payment like that. So no one can solve the payment like except of finance like that. So they will always contact you if there is issue about the finance like that. Okay, thank you, David. There are two concept, really good concept actually. Maybe from Om Rafiq. Do you agree with David, Om, for the implementation vision mission and understand and also the transparency?
For me, the first one, I'm ditto with David with day three, but I want to add one more.
Yeah.
Is maintains the relationship. That
Okay.
is my I
By
think that is why,
no,
because
no,
if
no.
you
By Om.
nah, that's what I want to asking.
Okay, siap.
How to manage the relationship. The first one is by the clear payment report. That is the first
Okay.
one, right?
Yeah.
The second one by the maybe by problem solving,
Um,
maybe.
problem solving. Actually, for me, problem solving is good for tactically, Om. But in community, I think the most important is what's called the long term solution for them to avoid
Hmm.
that same problem. Okay, we for example
Oh
like
yeah.
today there's issue for example like Lily sorry Vela Olala, right? The kaca is serta or something, and then okay, we can get the money from the gas and then pay, right? And then they will replace it. But what we can offer to the partner for the long term solution? Maybe
Hmm.
okay, I think we can put the sign on the glass. Please be careful. There is a glass here, for example, like that. That's actually the long term solution, right? So actually, we can start to think a different. Instead of tactically, we can start to thinking long term. Okay, what do you think?
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, I'm agree with that. But is the maintain relationship
Mm-mm.
that is still a blur for me.
Okay,
How we maintain relationship, I think is because relationship is mostly tactical.
okay. So okay, you said how to maintain relationship is still blur for you, ya Om ya. So
Hmm.
maybe I will ask, what is the good relationship for you?
Trust each other.
Trust each other, okay? Trust by
Trust
trust,
each
right?
other.
So maintain the relationship. So how you maintain the relationship by see the
To
trust
make
from the
them
partner.
trust. Yeah.
Okay, by see the trust of the partner, and then what do you think again? What is the good relationship? For example, you have a relationship with your wife. What kind of that or your father or what is the good
I think it's they they didn't turn over, right? They
okay,
didn't.
they not go, right? They not left.
Yeah,
Okay,
they just keep
they
with
will
us.
stay. They will stay.
Yeah.
Okay, they will stay. Is there anything?
Mm,
Or David, you can also if you have some idea.
they use our service, right?
Okay, I think that's will be same like a day stay.
Yeah.
How about tolerance?
What do you mean by tolerant?
For example, like this. Okay, Bukit Vista have a big mistake. For example, today, maybe wrong price or something, and then
Mm.
instead of they cut the contract, they will give us the feedback, or they give us a chance or opportunity to fix
I,
our to fixing our
th-
our problem.
I think that is part of trust. I mean,
That's
if you don't,
hmm,
if if someone don't trust you, you will never get the second chance, right?
if someone trusts you, but
If
how
someone didn't, if
yeah,
someone didn't trust
hmm,
to you,
yes,
if you are make a mistake,
hmm.
they will let you go.
Is it like that?
They will let.
For example, like this. You have wife,
Mm.
right? You trust to your wife, and then your wife is uh have another man. You trust. Did you give another chance, or
No.
like that, right? So I think that's not a part of trust. That's more to the tolerance. Okay, I will
Mm.
tolerancy like that. So okay, I will give you chance, second chance like that. But this, of course, this will be decrease the trust, right? If you have a mistake, of course, there's one mistake will be decrease the trust. What do you think? For example, like this.
Is it?
You are a owner, right? You are owner. Rafiq said to me, I'm for example setting the pricing. Oh, Tendi, please set the price 2 million. I said, okay, sure, I will set the 2 million. And then in the next week, got the booking with the price 1 million.
Mm.
You as a owner, did you still trust me or not?
Sorry. Can you repeat it?
Okay, so you tell me to set the price for example 2 million last
Two
week,
million. Yeah.
and then
Okay.
okay, next week got the booking with the price 1 million. That's the wrong price,
Mm.
right? Did you still
Mm.
trust me?
I think it's the first one. Yes, of course.
Instead the yes in term of what?
Yes, I'm trust
Okay.
because it's different than the
Mm-hmm.
different because it's the because this is about the value than the
Okay.
it's about not about feel.
Okay.
If you yeah, if for example like I'm selling the house is 1 million
Mm-hmm.
instead of 2 million,
Mm-hmm.
but they get the value,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
They still get the value, right?
Mm-hmm.
But now is when I'm talking is about the relationship, about the feel. It's not about the value that they get. I think it's same like for example, I think it will be the same like this, Tandy.
Mm-hmm.
If you are trust by Brisbane Village, for example,
Mm-hmm.
one of our one of our team accept the guest with price is 100,000
Mm-hmm.
instead of the price is 250, for example,
Yeah.
and then you talk with the partner,
Mm-hmm.
it's okay for 100, blah 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 blah, and then the partner agree, right?
Mm-hmm.
Partner agree. Why if that person that person is not you? For example,
Mm-hmm.
the person is talk with Brisbane,
Yeah.
for example, David,
Yeah.
instead of you, did the Brisbane will be agree for 100? You understand what I mean?
Yeah, I think that's a different concept. Actually, that's like
Yeah.
a team and then the person, right? Yeah,
That's I mean. That's I mean. So
yeah,
that
yeah.
is I mean. In our culture, in
Okay.
Indonesian culture,
Uh,
is different.
yeah.
It's different.
Agree.
If you already comfortable with somebody,
Hmm.
it's okay. One, two, they will tolerate with you.
Yeah.
But if somebody else is coming,
Hmm.
they will think twice or free time to agree with that. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, I understand, Om. Yeah.
But if tolerance,
Hmm.
I'm agree with that. I'm agree with that if tolerant.
Okay. Yeah, and then like this, Om. So back to my question before, yeah. So for example, like that. I'm not set your price, right? You already tell me, but I forgot to set the price, and then you tell me again, right? Tandy, can you set me today for 2 million like that?
Mm.
And then you as a owner, because you already get that experience, do you want to check on your listing if I already set or not, or you just leave it like, and then just trust me that I will set it, or you want to check by yourself to make sure.
I think this is about for example,
Hmm.
if I was the owner and
Yeah,
I tell to Tandy, Tandy, can you set my bungalow with 2 million per night, for example?
yeah,
And then, okay, I'll trust you. I don't. And then the next month I get the booking for 1 million, right?
yeah,
And then, Tandy, did you change the price already? Oh no, it's okay, Bli, no problem, just 1 million, yeah. Okay, no problem, 1 million, but only this month, yeah, not next month. And then the next month still 1 million, right?
yeah. Terus?
So the I'm as owner, honestly, if I was in position as owner,
You
the
feel?
first I will be angry because
Yeah,
I already tell you twice,
yeah.
you change it, and I already tolerant twice as well, right?
Yes, that's right.
That's that is compensation. Same
Yeah,
like same
and
like what is
the
yeah.
point. What is the point, of that case? That's actually will be one of the concept of the community. What we can do to 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 get that point right. I think there is two we can take it from there.
Hmm?
Do you have one? I think I will say the first one, right? The first one is consistency. Okay, if you said
Okay,
yes, you have to do, right? If you said you
okay,
cannot, okay, you cannot do like that. Okay, first
okay.
consistency. Then the second one, do you know?
Transparent? No, transparency. No. Commitment?
That's right. Yeah, that's actually the concept of the community, right? The commitment, and then the consistency. If you are a commit, for example, okay, there's a partner commit to join Bukit Vista. Okay, you commit to join Bukit Vista. You will get the service, but in the reality they didn't get, the partner didn't get any service that we tell in the beginning. That will be break the community, that will be break out the community concept, right? Because we tell like, oh, you will get the system, you will get the host, you will get this, but in the reality they didn't get anything like that. So they are already commit to us, and then we also need to commit to them like that. Yeah, that's actually really great. So we discover like two great concept actually, that also really important concept for the community: commitment and consistency. Okay, thank you. And then let's see. Oh, we still have 15 minutes. So for the second question, what is the rule for community?
The
Do you
committee
think
have a
that?
rule.
Yeah, the rules. What is the rule for the community?
The community have rules.
If you don't have a rule, you cannot control the community, right? You your community will go everywhere without any guidance and rule, checking guidance and everything. That will be, you will be lost of your community. You didn't know what is the update of the community. You didn't know like that. But if there is a rule or guidance, you will see, oh, this partner have a wedding, this partner have a new property, this partner want to join like that. So you can see your community overall community like that. So to to get that control, so we need to set the rule actually. I think this is a next step question, yeah, from the first question, yeah. Okay, so that's why we are discussing here to get the ideas. So actually, we are learning here to really
No, no, no
understand
problem.
the community.
That's why we learn together,
Yeah,
right?
so I want
Yeah,
we are really
that's good.
understand what is the community manager is, yeah, like that. So it's not about just simple, but I think this is will be more deeply like that. Okay, is there any
What is
idea?
the rules? What rules of community? I think it's measuring
Measuring is instead of measuring for what, for what?
measuring of our
To get what do you want? Okay, you are measuring something. What do you want to get from
Sure.
measuring? Nah, that's good, om. Om Rafi udah buka card nih.
sorry then.
Kan om, you want to measuring, right? You said measuring. Okay. Okay, you are measure something. You are measure the community. What do you want to get from measuring?
Satisfaction?
Not to satisfaction kan result of the performance.
Yes.
Nah, jadi kok measuring, what do you want to get from measuring? What do you want to look at of that measuring like that? Oh,
Mm.
okay, you measure something, right? And then what do you want to get from that result?
Nambah partner.
That's the action, right? The action. That's the
Mm.
action.
Hard for me.
Okay, David.
I don't know.
Okay, so yeah, maybe I will open a little bit. So, Om Rafiq, I think you are open the card. So measuring. So for example, Om Rafiq want to measure how many partner what's called satisfy on this month, for example, like that, or how
Yeah.
many partner is contribute on the Facebook group, or how many partner is join cleanliness program like that. There are a lot of program, right, from the community. And then what we want to get from that measuring is actually we want to discover there's like four actually we want to discover, we can discover, sorry. The first is strength, the second one is weakness, the third one is opportunity, and then the fourth one is threat. This is like a SWOT,
Three.
right? So okay, after Om Rafiq measuring, what is the strength of this campaign program? Okay, so the cleanliness program, the strength is the partner is consistent to keep the cleaning, to get the maintain the review like that. And then what is the weakness? If there is no weakness, we can set no weakness. But if there is a weakness, for example, from the measuring, from the data, from the 150 property, only 10 property is joined. We can see the weakness, right? Oh, the weakness is like lack of motivation or lack of partner join. So we can discover that. We can see, oh, and then we can ask question like, why the partner not join this program. This is already great program or something. And then how to make the partner join and everything. We can get the breakdown after we can discover. And then the third one is opportunity. Okay, so after we measuring, we will see, like for example, like oh, there's actually a lot of partner is join, or there is a small partner join like that. We can see the opportunity. Okay, I think the opportunity is if there is the partner, a lot of partner is join, then we can make what's called like webinar. We can spread out to the other community, for example, like out of our partner, right? And then one of our partner as a speaker can talk to the all the community in the Bali or in Jakarta or everywhere. And then oh, this is actually the opportunity to branding our brand. to running our program become the more bigger like that. That's the opportunity like that. And then the last one is the treat. We also cannot forget to discover the treat, right? Okay, so what is the treat of the what's called after we measuring? For example, we measuring one program, the cleanliness program. Okay. Oh yeah, I think the treat is how if the partner not running the cleanliness program well or not consistent to running the program like that. That will be the treat, right? Because we already agree with Airbnb that this property will running the cleanliness program using disinfectant and everything. And then how about the partner didn't use disinfectant and then the guest report to the Airbnb? That will be a treat like that. And then how we discover it? And then for overall we already discover it, right? We discover, oh, this is the treat, this is the opportunity, this is everything, and then we can create the strategy, the follow up action like that. We can put a report or new campaign like that. Okay, after the cleanliness program running, the training, then we can make the monitoring session. We can monitor how many partners still running the program, how many partner is didn't running the didn't consistent like that. Yeah, so that's actually the one of the rules of the community that we can create like that on. So measuring to discover like that. So every single program or campaign or activity that we running, we need to measure like that. That's the rule. Okay, after we measure, we can control. We can see how is our community movement like that. Okay, so this is consistent, this is not, this is great, this is not great, like that. So we can see everything like that. Okay. Yeah, okay. So that's actually one of the rules of the committee. And then I also create some more of the rules. After we discuss this, we can open the paper of the committee manager roadmap. And then the last one, the last question is the what is the element of the community? This is the, I think this is the last step to understand the community manager. Okay. Maybe before that, I would like to ask maybe for Om Rafiq and David, do you understand what its main element?
Unsur.
Part of the community.
Yeah.
Part of the community.
Okay. And David?
Unsur.
Unsur. Yes. Okay. Same like the part, right? Okay. What do you think is a part of community or the element of the community?
People.
People. Okay. First, maybe yeah, and then editing. Hmm, that's a lot actually. You, you can set whatever that you think is community. What do you think? What is your in your idea about community? People,
Social media.
social media, sharing,
Celebration.
celebration, trust each other. Anything? That's very a lot actually. Element of community. Okay, we have people. There, the people in community is trust each other. The people in community is sharing. The people in community have a social media to share. And then what the people in community do again? Is there anything that they need or they will do in community? After they sharing, they trust each other. They will
They learn each other.
and they will connecting.
Learn.
Yeah, learn, connecting. Yeah, I think that's
Connect.
connecting is one of the point of the community, right? We are connect like that. That's the point like that. Yeah, I think if you guys have any other of the element, you can just write it down there. That's just a some of few example of the element. That's actually very quite a lot of the element of community. That's actually we need to put in our mind, like, okay, so we are as a community manager. Oh, we are need to share. We are need to trust. We are need to connect like that. If we have that in the mind, so we will be a great community, a really great community manager like that. So if we can maintain that in the in our community, that's really very great like that. Yeah, so that's actually some of the element of the community. Maybe I will open the this paper to see the overall. This is what I make it. Okay, this one. So for the concept of the community manager, for the important concept, first is collaboration. This is also really great because for the collaborate, why I use collaboration, because collaboration is supports each other like that. So we are supporting like that instead of working. Working is you work for someone and someone work for you, right? But collaboration is we are it's support to collaborate to get the same vision and same mission like that. And then the second one is relationship building. Yeah, this is also the important concept that we need to build the relationship. Like Om Rafiq said, maintain the partnership. How to maintain the partnership by get the trust. We are share. Yeah, if we are not sharing anything, then how they will trust us, right? Because we didn't know each other like that. If we know each other, we will start to trust like that. And then the third one is room for divergent views. Okay. Do you guys understand what it's meant is room for divergent views?
Virgin.
No.
David, ngerti nggak?
No,
Do you understand?
no, Virgin.
Okay, so room, it's kind of like a forum like a place, a place for the different perspective like that.
Mm.
Yeah, like for example, like a discussion, group discussion. So some partner have a different perspective that we can facilitate. We are a facilitator to make the room so they can discuss it like that. For example, like a Facebook group or something, so they can discuss in there like that. And then common language and knowledge dialogue. So this one is how we communicate with partner, right? Because I believe each people have different style. For example, like Om Rafiq have different style to talk with partner, and then also me have different style, and David have different style. But with all the different style, how we actually have a same vision, same general standard, same standard like that. Okay, so whenever that you use on the language, on the common language, but make sure you got the point when you are talking with the partner like that. It's so when you talk with talk with the partner, it's not about something blur, something not what's called not sure like that. But when we are talking to partner, make sure we got something from them. We got something, some information like that. So it will be more clear as well. And then the last one is social structure emerges organically like that. So this is like a the structure social that will originate organically what's called built like that. So for example, like a partnership, we have 150 partner, right? And then we thought we try to find a partner, but the partner will come to us organically. So it will be like a flow like that. So okay, this partner have a family, they join. This partner have friend, they join like that because we already maintain a good community in this partner, and then they will give a spread out that ambience, that vibes like that to other partner, and then also we will grow in terms of that like that. Yeah, so actually, you can reading this, guys. Yes, you can reading this for your what's called for your reference. I also put like a five book here. Also, I put the point like this is actually will related to community as well, how to build the good community. And then for the community roadmap, this is actually we need to change or we need to improve. For example, like usually the partner is talking something bad to us because there is no one give the information to the partner. Okay, so before the partner is angry, how we how we avoid that like that by notice them first, right? Before they know by self, then we can notice them first directly like that. So yeah, this is that we need. This is kind of like the roadmap that we need to follow. This is like a how we how we create a great community like that. So we can change the bad habit to the good habit like that. Okay, so yeah, I create this for you guys. So I think for the next meeting we can discuss the another element, the another rules. So this is will be great discussion to more deeply understand how is community manager is doing like that. Okay, I think that's pretty much it from me. Sorry, that's a lot of talk for me actually.
Yeah.
Hope you
No problem.
no
No.
problem. Yeah. Thank you Om Rafiq and David for join. And then see you on Monday ya. See you on Monday
Monday.
on the next Scrum. Bye bye.
Okay.
Yuk.